satisfy our cheese cravings, today we're making chicken mac and cheese. To start off, we are gonna prepare some white sauce. For that, we need to add some TAZO butter into the pan. To that, we add some flour, milk, some garlic powder, some herbs from the salt, a pinch of black pepper, and some cheese from TAZO. We're gonna mix it well until its consistency looks like this. Afterwards, separately we take some butter. To that we add some chopped onions, ginger, some tomato sauce and paste, and all the mentioned spices into that. Then we add the minced chicken and our boiled macaroni into it and let it cook. Then we pour in our white sauce onto that, and for topping we add some TAZO Mozzarella Cheese, which is the secret to this delicious recipe. Look at that, guys. Every bite is a burst of pure cheesy bliss. Do try the recipe. Allah Hafiz.